Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean's Home Decor and More. The last time I was out here with you guys, it was in early May or maybe mid-May, and it was cold as all get out. Anywho, now it's June, the beginning of June, and this is where my flowers are now, just kind of letting you see how they're progressing. And that's my cute little planter holder that I got from Big Lots that says welcome, and it looks like a little chair. I thought that was just so adorable. And there's these pink dianthus. I got those from Lowe's. And a lot of these plants I either got from Lowe's or Walmart, mostly. I may have gotten one or two from Home Depot. But just kind of giving you guys an idea of how they are progressing. These were really small when I first planted them. And you can see how they're just filling the pot out. Kind of moving over here. We have a tomato plant. And I am going to take this. I've had this in here so long. I actually had something else in here mixed in with it. I'm going to take this out of here and put this in the ground. I have some others that are in the ground, so I'm going to remove this. And we still have that cooler out here from Memorial Day. We had a little cookout. We have some mums here that are already blooming. And I have some mums over here that are already blooming. Now they bloom early, but they seem to end early. And this is some lavender, a different variation of lavender, and it's actually very pretty. It doesn't seem like it's quite, the purple is quite as robust as when I first got it. I do water it every day. I'm going to water it later today. But it still is not as robust as when I first got it. But it's so, it gets a lot of sun out here. Now, for the life of me, I don't know what the heck this is. It does have a tag in it. I did get it from Walmart, but I just don't remember what it is. So let's see. Let's have a look. This is called a joey. A joey, and you can see the price of it. That was at Walmart. I don't think I paid that though for it. I want to say that was on sale. Walmart had a sale. But in any event, that's what that is. It's a joey. And believe it or not, hummingbirds come in the morning. They're so cute, and they get the little nectar out of the joey. And here are my petunias. So I'll just kind of stand back and give you like a little look of how the deck looks. And that was my wind chime that I had to replace because the other was so old and rusted. So just kind of give a little pan around to see what the deck looks like now. So we enjoy sitting out here, and it's really beautiful today, guys, because it's, it's really not that blazing hot July weather. So right now it's really nice. It hasn't rained in a while, but it's really, really nice. So in any event, that's where we are now. And then I still have work to do though. So let me just share this with you. So you see the rails of these chairs down here. The rails of those chairs, they were gray. And they were so ugly because they had been out here so long and they were so sun-worn. I painted them black. I didn't spray paint them. I painted them black. But they look so much better than they did before. And I have a mum down there. And then I have another little purple plant back there. I don't think you can really see it though. But it's really pretty. I don't know what that is, but I did get that from Walmart. But this patio here, it still needs to be power washed. Just haven't gotten to it yet. There's so many other things that go on. So I've been working, so it's just the time to get to all of these things. But in any event, just kind of wanted to give a pan around and kind of show you where we are so far. And here's something else I love. This is a hydrangea bush. And I love this hydrangea bush. It's getting huge though. I cut it back, guys, and just look at it. It's growing up past the window now. It's almost getting up to the window. But it has some beautiful flowers on it. It'll, you know, bring forth some beautiful flowers. And then I'll cut them. I'll put them in a vase. And then later when the fall comes, I will dry them so that I can use them for, you know, some inside home decor, which I did last year. But just kind of giving a different view of the porch, of the deck rather. So it's kind of nice to sit out here. And as you can see, it is kind of peaceful because look, nobody's back here. But look at all this grass to cut, guys. Look at all this grass. So we were actually thinking, like, how much longer are we gonna cut all this grass? Good googly moogly. This is a lot of grass to cut. And let's just keep on going. That grass goes all the way around on the other side. And let's look around this side. So here's some more dianthus. These are perennials. So you can see they are, they're starting, you know, the flowers are starting to diminish. And I'm going to cut them back. I'm going to work on those today, and I'm going to start cutting those back. And my husband sprays some deer resistant spray for those hostas. We had more back there, but that's all that's left. But we have to continue to spray those hostas. You know, I did have a different type of bush here before, but hubby wanted me to cut it down. Oh, that's too big. So I put a lot of hostas there, but the deer continue to eat them. So let's hope they don't eat this one. I don't know what that bush is, but it's a low-growing bush. And some chickens and hens. I mentioned before in a previous video, I need to take those out and maybe perhaps put them somewhere else. Just haven't figured out yet where I want to put them. And here's some other perennials that I have. And I have to continue to spray these because I water them because it's been dry here in the DMV. And here's some daylilies, and the deer like those as well. So we've been spraying to kind of keep the deer away. You know, but they are kind of pretty. This one is about to bloom. You see some blooms coming out. Some more perennials. The ones in the back there, that's a little bit different variation than these in the front, but they have not yet, well, I should say they've already bloomed, and they don't appear to, that they're going to bloom again, so I guess that's it for them for the summer. And that's okay, because these in the front, they kind of bloom, you know, until fall, which is nice. And kind of moving over, you know, we have some more lavender here. And I want to say, is this Purple Heart? Y'all know I can't remember all the names of these flowers. But anyway, you see, when I first took this video the first time, it was small, right? It was just in a small area. You can see how now this has expanded. And this will grow all the way out. It'll cover this whole area, which is why I don't have anything up here. It kind of is overpowering. But it's really nice because that's purple. The other side is purple. The bumblebees like that lavender. And it's kind of a nice filler. I don't know what this winter shrub is, but I love this, you guys. I love this. It's so pretty. It's a low-growing shrub, so it'll stay nice like that. And that I had on the back that I said I'm going to take it out and repot it, replant it down here in the ground, that's what this is. So I'm going to take that out of the pot And I may do that later if I have the energy, if I feel like it. Today I kind of feel lazy, so who knows? May or may not. But you see, it's kind of like it's spreading, which is nice. It's pretty. I don't know what the heck this is, but when I showed it to you the last time, it wasn't blooming. But now you see it has pink blooms. This one here will yield some white blooms. They're not there yet, but you can see they're coming. And those, I mean, everybody probably has those. So that's that. But you see, here's some more grass to cut. Look, oh, look at all this grass, you guys. Look at all that grass. Woo-hoo. We on the weekends, guys, we are cutting grass. We are cutting grass and weed whacking. I mean, it's more than an ocean out here in this yard. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on where the outside summer vibes, just kind of giving you an idea of what we're looking like. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Just a short video to check in with you guys, let you see what I'm up to. If this is your first time, welcome. If you are one of my subscribers, my besties, thank you so much for stopping back in and checking out what I am up to. So this is where we are so far with the outdoor summer vibes. You guys have a pleasant afternoon. Until next time, bye-bye.